And 11.2, winner is Sonam Stanzil. All to the stage, please. Third, second, and first. Ladies, please bring all the prizes and the check to the stage here. Rival, come on, sir. Second and first, I request Bhanu Prabha ma'am to present the bronze medal to Phuntsok Tashi. The bronze medal, ladies and gentlemen. The memento, the Kathaks. Not the blue color Kathaks, it's the traditional Kathaks, and it has Ladakh Marathon written on it beautifully. And a check of rupees 20,000 to Phuntsok Tashi. Tuluk gets the silver medal. The Kathaks silver medal. The memento. A check of rupees 25,000. Talia ho jaye. And the gold medal goes to Sonam Stanzil in 11.2. The Kathaks, the gold medal. The beautiful memento of Ladakh Marathon. And a check of rupees 40,000. Stanzil Zompa Padmalamos Karnataka prizes. Third, second, and first.
Congratulations, girls.
Stanzil Zompa, third position holder, Zatsadzak, Padmahamo, and Skarma Idong Lanzos. The bronze medal goes to Stanzil Zompa, the Kathaks, the bronze medal, the beautiful memento, and a check of rupees 20,000. लड़कियां लड़कियों के लिए चीयर ज्यादा होना चाहिए. The Kathaks silver medal goes to Padmalamo for second position in 11.2 kilometer. The memento and a check of rupees 25,000. And the winner, the Kathaks, the gold medal, Skarma Idong Lanzes. The memento and a check of rupees 40,000. Jofarali gets the Kathaks, the bronze medal, the memento, and the cash prize of rupees 40,000. Jofarali Jain se hai. Sewang Nandam gets the second prize, the Kathaks, the silver medal, the memento, and a check of rupees 60,000. Sevan Namgyal, the winner, gets the Kathaks, the gold medal, memento, and a check of rupees 80,000. 80,000, ladies and gentlemen, winners of half marathon male category, open male category. Congratulations to all. Now, it's very common for us. Winners hona bhi hamare very common ki baat hai. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, we have Tashi Laro in the second position, the Kathaks, the silver medal, the memento, and a check of rupees 60,000 to Tashi Laro. Stanzil Golkar gets the Kathaks, the gold medal, memento, and a check of rupees 80,000, ladies and gentlemen. These are the two names who are making proud Ladakh position. Khadim Hussain second and Hasrat first position. So Vipul gets the Kadaks, the bronze medal, the memento, and a check of rupees 50,000. Congratulations, Vipul. Khadim Hussain gets the Kadaks, the silver medal, memento, and a check of rupees 65,000. And Hansraj from JK Police gets the Kadaks, the gold medal, beautiful memento of Ladakh Marathon, and a check of rupees 1,25,000. Congratulations to every winner. Mr. Gulma second and Stanzan Chandra first. Please, all of you to climb the podium. Lashkar, you get the Kadaks, the bronze medal, the memento, and a check of rupees 50,000. Congratulations, Anushka. This Diploma gets the Kadaks first, and then the silver medal, the memento, and a check of rupees 65,000. Now, Stanzan Chondol gets the Kadaks first. She gets the shining gold medal, the beautiful memento, and a check of rupees 1,25,000. Congratulations to every winner on stay here. You all have done. He gets the silver medal, a beautiful memento of Ladakh Marathon, and he gets a cash prize of rupees 15,000 straight into his bank account. 159, second position, and Sarah Karan 4999, securing first position.
Her mother,
Did you run?
all family.
Oh my God. Next year we want to see all of you at podium. Huh? Not just Mama should take away all the.
So Gopal Ganguly gets the Kadaks, the bronze medal, and the beautiful memento of Ladakh Marathon. Now you'll be getting 10,000 in your bank account.
Go, ma'am. Super congratulations. Woo!
Alright, so Krishna Chauhan gets the Kadaks, the silver medal,
Whoa!
the beautiful memento, and rupees 15,000 straight into your bank account. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you, thank you. This is the energy that we have. So nice of you. So Kushidendra, Jaspal, I request all of you please to climb the podium. So Sukhshinder Jaspalji gets the Kadaks first. The bronze medal and the memento. Sukhjinder, you will get 25,000 straight into your bank account, sir. Yep. So we have Gambaraduji, Chandaji, the Kadaks, the silver medal, the beautiful memento, and 30,000 in your bank account, sir. Next he is going to do the KC. So nice. And the winner, Arvindji, he gets the Kadaks, the gold medal, the beautiful memento, and Arvindji gets 45,000 straight into his account. Arvindji gets 45,000, Chandaji gets 30,000, and Sukhjinderji 25,000 straight into your bank accounts. Congratulations to all of you, all three of you. Shalini gets the Kadaks, the bronze medal, The beautiful memento. And cash of at least 25,000 straight into your bank account now. And the winner, Shalini Upadhyay, gets the Kadaks, the gold medal, beautiful memento, and rupees 45,000 straight into your bank account. Marco K with bid number 9447. You get the Kadaks, the bronze medal, the beautiful memento, and you will get 30,000 into your bank account, Marco. And Maximilian Lindo gets the Kadaks, the silver medal, beautiful memento. So you are going to get 45,000 into your bank account. And Shamapada Das gets the Kadaks, the gold medal, memento, and you're going to get 60,000 straight into your bank account. All the best. Big congratulations to all of you.
Resmi.
Mahalakshmi Ravi gets the Kadaks first, the bronze medal, the beautiful memento. And Mahalakshmi ji, you're going to get 30,000 in your bank account, Mahalakshmi ji. Congratulations. Sushila Singh ji, you're going to get the Kadaks first, the silver medal, the beautiful memento, and 45,000 will be coming running to your bank account. And the winner of veteran female full marathon, Rita Satish Thakur, Kadaks gold medal, memento, and rupees 60,000 will be running straight to your account. Congratulations to every winner. 4709 Namgyal Angmo, 5039 Ishi Golkar, 3982 Sirangmo, 4931 Tangan Yangmo, 4439 Tashi Golkar. Secretary Sports, UT Ladakh, Madam Bhanu Prabha, is doing the honors of giving away all the awards to our winners of 11.2 half and full marathon of Ladakh marathon.
Keep practicing, huh? Next year.
Being accompanied by Mr. Regis Kunzan, Director, Unit Tier 3, UT Urban Development of UT Ladakh, Urban Development Local Bodies, Director, Shri Regis Kunzan is accompanying. Kaladun Lashkarga.
Congratulations.
And in the male category, fourth position has been backed by bid number 3253, Skarna Party. She is Tanzanamo Rewale. She is Tanzanamo, female category, she is the fourth position with bid number 4872. Tanzanamo. And
1,200 participants, 1,500 participants 12 years back. Today we have more than 6,500 participants, all states, UTs, 30 countries, and some of the veteran runners who've been winning accolades everywhere, and they've chosen to come to Ladakh. So a great moment for all of us. A special mention to all the sponsors, partners, especially to LHTC Leh, who have been very forthcoming, giving not just the financial assistance but also extending all the support that could enable us to have such a big gathering. And like I keep saying, it's an eventless event, which is a very big thing to achieve. With 6,500 participants, touchwood, all could finish safely and cautiously. You all ran, so credits to all of you who ran so responsibly. And next year we hope to see a bigger number. Hopefully we'll go from 4-digit to a 5-digit family, and hope to see all of you coming back, running next stage. For instance, all 42-kilometer full marathon runners this time, we would love to see you at Khardungla. And Khardulla ones, we would love to see you graduating to SIU. And that is how the family will grow bigger, stronger. And once again, hats off to all the endurance, resilience that you've shown coming down from Chennai, Bangalore to altitude as high as 12,000, 13,000 feet and winning medals. So congratulations, God bless. Next year we hope to see all of you again with some more participants. Thank you, and please do come again. And special mention to you once again, Kamutuple, and all the sponsors of hosting such a beautiful event and event list too. Thank you all.
Thank you so much. की तरह उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दिया है. So Ladakh Scouts.
But now you feel confident. Yes, ma'am. Next year.
So every single soul of Ladakh Marathon, thank you, every runner, every sponsor, every partner, every volunteer, every worker, and especially every runner. Thank you so much, and the family, thank you so much for being part of the 12th edition of Ladakh Marathon. We want to express our gratitude to every one of you and hope to see you in our next edition, healthy and hearty. When you go back home, please go safe, fly safe and reach back home very safely. To all of you, Julai, and a very good day to all of you. Jai Hind, Julai.
गड़ी 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 का हो गया, आराम से